Get ready to save big before the Black Friday madness even begins. In today's video, we're uncovering 20 early Amazon kitchen accessories deals with massive discounts up to 60% off. From trending must-haves to rare finds that'll totally upgrade your kitchen game, these limited time offers won't last long. So stick around till the end and grab your favorites before the prices jump back up. Number 1. Fullstar 6-in-1 Mandoline Slicer. White. The Fullstar 6-in-1 Mandoline Slicer makes meal prep faster and cleaner than ever. With sharp stainless steel blades and adjustable thickness, it easily slices, grates, and juliennes your favorite veggies. It includes a safety guard and a built-in catch tray to keep everything neat while protecting your fingers. Ideal for everyday cooking, this compact kitchen tool saves time and space while helping you prepare professional quality dishes effortlessly. A must-have for healthy meal lovers. Number 2. Dania Silicone Baking Mat 26x16. The Dania Silicone Baking Mat keeps your cookies and pastries from sticking while ensuring perfect browning every time. Sized at 26x16 inches, it fits most baking trays and replaces wasteful parchment paper or sprays. Made from premium food-grade silicone, it distributes heat evenly and withstands high temperatures. Whether baking, roasting, or kneading dough, this reusable mat makes cleanup simple while adding a professional touch to every bake. Number 3. Meilen Espresso Coffee Scale 0.1 gram. The Meilen Espresso Coffee Scale helps you craft coffee with barista-level precision. Measuring down to 0.1 gram, it ensures the perfect balance between beans and water for flawless espresso shots. Its digital display is easy to read, and the built-in timer keeps your brewing process consistent. Compact and rechargeable, it fits neatly beside your coffee machine, helping you create rich, aromatic coffee every single time with perfect accuracy. Yeah. Number 4. Amzchef Burr Coffee Grinder. 48 settings, the Amzchef Burr Coffee Grinder lets you grind your beans just the way you like them. With 48 precise settings, it handles everything from fine espresso to coarse French press grinds. Its stainless steel conical burr preserves aroma and flavor, delivering consistent results every morning. The quiet motor, spacious hopper, and easy cleaning make this a coffee essential for true caffeine enthusiasts who love starting their day with fresh, perfectly ground beans. Number 5. Daisyhome 6-piece appliance cord organizer. The Daisyhome 6-piece appliance cord organizer set keeps your countertop neat and cords under control. Made from flexible silicone, these organizers easily attach to your blenders, coffee makers, or air fryers, wrapping cords neatly around them. They're heat-resistant, durable, and designed to match any modern kitchen look. With 6 pieces included, every appliance gets a tidy upgrade, helping your kitchen stay organized and safe from tangled messes or cable clutter. Number 6. Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer FN101GY. The Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer combines innovation with convenience. It air fries, bakes, roasts, and reheats using rapid heat circulation for even, crispy results. The transparent glass basket lets you watch your food cook without opening the lid. With sleek styling and healthier cooking that uses less oil, it's perfect for quick family meals or solo snacks. Compact yet powerful, this air fryer brings crisp perfection to your kitchen every day. Number 7. Immersion Handheld 5-in-1 Blender 1100 watts. The Immersion Handheld 5-in-1 Blender is built for performance and versatility. Its 1100-watt motor powers through smoothies, soups, and sauces in seconds. Stainless steel blades deliver smooth blends, while multiple attachments let you chop, whisk, and puree with ease. Designed with an ergonomic handle for comfortable grip and control, it's lightweight yet powerful. From morning shakes to evening dinners, this all-in-one blender simplifies your cooking routine beautifully and efficiently. Number 8. Ototo Pasta Spaghetti Spoon Gadget. Add some fun to pasta night with the Ototo Pasta Spaghetti Spoon Gadget. This creative, durable utensil easily scoops and measures pasta portions while bringing a touch of whimsy to your kitchen. Made from heat-resistant materials safe for all cookware, it's sturdy, practical, and charmingly designed. Whether you're cooking for family or guests, this gadget makes serving pasta simple, accurate, and stylish. It's a small tool that makes dinner prep delightful. Number 9. Rafow 4-in-1 Electric Milk Frother 10 ounce. Turn every cup of coffee into a cafe experience with the Rafow 4-in-1 Electric Milk Frother. With a 10-ounce capacity, it froths, heats, and whips milk for lattes, cappuccinos, or cocoa in seconds. It's whisper quiet, easy to clean, and features multiple temperature modes to suit your drink preference. Compact and modern, this frother adds luxury to your morning routine while saving time and effort with perfectly creamy, velvety foam every time. Number 10. Surewin 3-in-1 Veggie Spiralizer Slicer. The Surewin 3-in-1 Veggie Spiralizer Slicer transforms fresh vegetables into beautiful noodles and ribbons. Its sharp stainless steel blades slice zucchini, carrots, or cucumbers into perfect shapes for low-carb and creative meals. Compact and easy to store, it's ideal for meal prepping or garnishing dishes in minutes. Simple to use and easy to clean, this handy slicer brings fun, healthy, and colorful variety to everyday cooking without the hassle or mess. Number 11. Chefman Dual Basket Air Fryer 6-quart. Cook more in less time with the Chefman Dual Basket Air Fryer. Its 6-quart capacity and twin baskets let you prepare 2 different foods at once, making dinner prep faster and easier. The digital control panel ensures precision for perfect crispness, while non-stick baskets simplify cleanup. Whether frying chicken, fries, or veggies, it delivers delicious results using little to no oil, a practical and healthy solution for busy kitchens and hungry families. Number 12. Typhur Instaprobe Instant Meat Thermometer. The Typhur Instaprobe Instant Meat Thermometer delivers accurate readings in just 1 second, helping you cook meat to perfection every time. Its waterproof, foldable design is ideal for indoor or outdoor grilling. The bright digital display is easy to read, even in low light. Whether you're searing steak or roasting turkey, it ensures food safety and consistency. Compact, reliable, and fast, it's a must-have tool for chefs who love precision and flavor. Number 13. Shanzu Damascus 6-inch Chef Knife. The Shanzu Damascus 6-inch Chef Knife blends elegance with functionality. Made from high-carbon Damascus steel, it boasts razor-sharp edges and beautiful layered patterns. Its ergonomic handle provides balance and comfort, allowing smooth chopping, slicing, and mincing. Designed for precision and durability, this knife is a staple for both beginners and professionals. It's not just a tool, it's a statement piece that enhances your kitchen with power and style. Number 14. Ganroght 10-in-1 Nut Milk Maker 58 ounce. Create your own fresh, plant-based milk with the Ganroght 10-in-1 Nut Milk Maker. Holding up to 58 ounces, it prepares almond, oat, or soy milk with a single touch. It also handles soups, smoothies, and blends with ease. Featuring automatic heating and self-cleaning functions, it's both convenient and eco-friendly. With a modern stainless steel finish and intuitive controls, this appliance simplifies healthy living while adding sleek sophistication to your countertop. Number 15. Besmon Electric Jar Opener for seniors. The Besmon Electric Jar Opener takes the struggle out of opening stubborn lids. Designed with seniors in mind, it effortlessly grips and twists jars open with a single button press. Compact and battery-powered, it fits a wide range of jar sizes and stores easily in drawers. Safe, reliable, and incredibly convenient, it saves time and prevents wrist strain. This handy kitchen helper makes everyday cooking smoother for everyone who values comfort and ease. Number 16. Yunhome Stainless Onion Holder Slicer. The Yunhome Stainless Onion Holder Slicer makes cutting vegetables safer and more precise. Its sturdy metal prongs hold onions steady, guiding your knife for uniform slices without slipping or tears. Built from durable stainless steel, it's also great for tomatoes, potatoes, and other produce. Compact and dishwasher safe, it fits neatly in your drawer and speeds up meal prep. Simple yet effective, it helps you chop like a pro every single time. Number 17. Larger Stackable Water Bottle Organizer. Keep your kitchen or pantry tidy with the larger stackable water bottle organizer. This sturdy plastic rack holds bottles, tumblers, and mugs in a clean, space-saving design. Each layer stacks securely, making it easy to customize for cabinets or countertops. Made from BPA-free materials, it's durable and simple to assemble. Say goodbye to cluttered shelves and rolling bottles. This organizer helps keep your hydration essentials perfectly stored and easy to grab. Number 18. Guanci 8-piece Silicone Bowl Lid Set. The Guanci 8-piece Silicone Bowl Lid Set offers an eco-friendly alternative to plastic wrap. These stretchy, reusable lids create a tight seal over bowls, jars, and containers to keep food fresh longer. They're microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them perfect for meal prep or leftovers. Designed to fit various sizes, they prevent spills and save space. Durable and flexible, this colorful set adds convenience and sustainability to your everyday kitchen routine. Number 19. Osipoto 17-in-1 Bread Maker. Machine 2-pound. The Osipoto 17-in-1 Bread Maker brings bakery fresh bread right to your kitchen. With 17 preset functions, it can bake white, wheat, or gluten-free loaves up to 2 pounds. Its digital display and delay timer let you enjoy warm, homemade bread anytime. The non-stick pan and automatic fruit dispenser make baking effortless and fun. Sleek and modern, this versatile machine is perfect for anyone who loves fresh bread without the mess. Number 20. Wi-Fi Tel Large Egg Banana Strawberry Slicer. The Wi-Fi Tel Large Egg Banana Strawberry Slicer makes slicing quick, clean, and consistent. Its stainless steel wires glide smoothly through eggs, fruits, or soft vegetables, giving perfect, even cuts every time. Compact and dishwasher safe, it's great for salads, desserts, or breakfast plates. The ergonomic handle provides a firm grip, ensuring safe and effortless use. Simple yet effective, this handy tool turns ordinary prep work into a smooth, satisfying kitchen task. Don't miss out on these early Amazon kitchen accessories Black Friday deals. They're selling fast. Grab your favorites now, save big before the rush, and give your kitchen the upgrade it deserves this holiday season.